Hello, dear Capricorn. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a 7 day, 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 30th of December till the 5th of January. You can take it as messages, guidance, warning, or challenges or obstacles on your path for this particular week. Want to be a reader like me? You can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description. Want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono? You can definitely start by purchasing the masterclass. Again, link is in the description box for the same. When you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, and you can mail us on the modernsanyasini@gmail.com for any queries. So let's start. Cappies. 30th of December, we have the conditioning. You are going to feel that you are no longer the same person or the same kind of energy as you thought you are till this point of time. So because of a certain kind of conditioning or belief, you always felt like you are something else or someone else. Okay. But now you're realizing that you are not that person or not the situation. You are totally different person or different situation. Now you have to find your own self, like your new self. You have to get in tune with your new self, right? Newfound self, actually. 31st of December, we have the comparison. Comparison is stupidity. You might be in some kind of competition with some person, some situation, and you might be feeling like I have to do better than this. I have to do better than them, or whatever. Comparison is stupidity because no two people, no two energies can be same, no matter if you are twins or anything like that. Doesn't matter. So comparison is stupidity. Do better than yourself. Okay, do better for yourself, do better than yourself. That's it. That you should be your only competition, nothing else, no one else. First, we have the slowing down. Okay, Cappies, relax, slow down, take a breath, take a breath, take a deep breath, and just slow down. Everything and everyone will follow you. You don't have to rush all the time. You don't have to be in this anxious kind of energy all the time. I have to do this, I have to do that, da 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 da. Don't forget to enjoy life. Okay, don't forget to take a deep breath from time to time and relax and rest in between, because this is life. This is not a video game. This is not a race that you have to win at any cost. Okay, 2nd of January, we have the change. So Cappies, you need to remind yourself continuously, change is the only constant. Change is the only constant. You have to go with the flow. You can't resist change. The more you are going to resist change, the more you are going to be in some kind of difficult position, in some kind of miserable kind of energy. Basically, change is the only constant, and we have to accept the change sooner or later in our lives. Yes, that's the only truth here. Okay, 3rd of January, we have the turning in. So, honey, you have to listen to yourself when it comes to difficult decisions or difficult choices that you have to make. Instead of listening to people outside of you, turn into your own energies and get your own answers, because your inner self is never going to lie to you. Inner self is not something that is going to give you the answer that your ego wants to hear. Inner self is going to give you the answer that you should hear. Okay, that's the difference. 4th, we have the sorrow. So in order to get something in your life, you don't have to go through the pain deliberately or forcibly. Especially on the spiritual path, I have seen people suffering a lot. According to Osho, the more you are going to live joyfully, the more you are going to get connected to the universe. And that's the truth, actually. So before connecting with the Osho or Osho's teachings, meditation especially, I was also the same. So if you are feeling that disconnecting from everything and everyone will make you achieve something in a better way, then you are like making a fool out of yourself, especially if that's giving you pain rather than peace. Whatever you're doing, if it is giving you peace, it means right. It's right. Whatever you're doing, it's giving you sorrow and pain. That's force. You have forced yourself to do that. You don't have to do that. It's not working then. It's not good for you. Right? We're not talking about relationship here. Don't use your mind on relationships now. 5th, we have the receptivity, honey. So Cappies, the more you are going to be in the receptive energies, the more the universe is going to give you guidance and messages that are actually good for your growth in every possible way, area of your life. Sorry. You have to be in the receptive mode. You have to be in this energy of being the receiver, because the universe wants to give you something here, right? And how to do that? All you have to do is listen to your intuition, Pay attention to your dreams. Out of the blue, people will start connecting with you. They will start giving you advices, or some kind of, you can say, solutions that you were seeking for. That's how to be receptive. Don't you let your mind derail you. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.